This is your Stravni Sachin, professional digital marketer. In this video, I'm going to tell you about custom and look-alike audience. Have you ever heard about it? No, right? Don't worry, I'm going to tell you what exactly the custom and look-alike audience and how it will be useful for you in creating the Facebook ads, and I'm going to show you how to create it also. So before going to show you how to create custom and look-alike audience, I'm going to tell you about some few points regarding custom and look-alike audience. First of all, what exactly a custom audience is? Customized. Here we are making our Facebook ads more targeting, more exact targeting. Okay, with the existing database. What it means, custom audience. We are creating the list of the audience with the existing customer database to target them with the Facebook ads, to retarget them. It doesn't mean that who have already make the purchase, okay, otherwise who have shown your interest, to turn the prospects into potentials or to make the re-business with the existing targets also. That is what the purpose of custom audience. Okay, we are creating the custom audience based on the customer list, based on the website visit, based on the app visits, based on the Facebook page engagements, based on Instagram pages, everything we can do. There are many. What exactly the advantage of the custom audience we are talking about is it's the most exact targeting. Why? Because we are not taking any chance here. We are not assuming that they might be the audience of our services, because we are targeting the audience who have already shown interest in our products or services, who have already made some value to our business by making the value added decisions like purchases or collaborating with you. So in order to give them the updates, or in order to make them get back to your business or services, or in order to convert the prospects into the potential users, we are creating this custom audience. But while coming to the look alike audience is also with the same purpose, but with a small change. Custom audience or look alike audience we are creating with the existing database only. Look alike audience is particularly with the existing database, but we are not targeting the exact list of audience, but we are targeting the users who have the similar interest and behaviors and profile in the Facebook as similar to our customers, existing customers. That is what the difference between custom and look alike audience. I am going to repeat the difference between custom and look alike audience. Look alike audience means we are targeting the audience with the similar interest and behavior to our existing database. Okay. Let's have a look at how to create custom and lookalike audience. The process is very simple. We again start with signing into the ads manager, and by on the left top of the page you are able to see the ad managers tab, right? Click on that so that you will find the audience sections in the ad manager. So click on the audience tab. Here you are able to see, right, include LTV. LTV means long term value, who have already made the purchases. Create a look like similar. What is the advantage? I have already told you that who have already made a particular value to your business by making the purchase. By creating the look alike audience, what Facebook will do is Facebook will look at your customer database and search for the similar profiles. Similar profiles means whose interest, whose behavior is similar to your existing database, and also it will consider the highest value who have created to your business to give them more productive results. Okay, so here you are finding the create audience tab with a drop down button. In this drop down you will find some list of audience, right? Custom, look alike, special, and saved audience. Saved audience is nothing but I have already shown you how to target audience while creating the ad in my first video. So saved audience, once you create it and saved it in a particular ad, it will show you in the saved audience tab. custom audience, look-alike audience, special ad audience. In this video, we are not talking about special ad audience. We are talking about the custom and look-alike audience. Now, I'm going to show you custom audience. Just click on the custom audience. See, multiple sources you are able to see here, right? Website, customer list, app activity, offline activity. Website means once you have installed the Facebook pixel on your website, it will track your user actions and send them back to the Facebook. So that what Facebook will do, if you are creating the custom audience based on your website visitors, what Facebook will do means Facebook will look at your users and search for their profiles with Facebook profiles and search for their profiles in the Facebook and show your ad to them, particularly to them. So that is what the benefit of website. And the customer list. Customer list means that is exactly what you have with you. Those who have visited your shop, while if you have collected your inquiry forms with details like email ID, phone number, contacts, everything, right? So you have already a list of customers. So you are going to upload this customer list. Based on this customer list, Facebook will show you the ad to the particular profiles only. So that is why we have already told that custom audience is a very exact targeting ad campaign. App activity. If your business or your client business has some app, so if you would like to focus the audience based on the app activity, you can create the custom audience based on the app activity. Offline activity means based on the activities happened in your physical office or physical store. Okay, physical store through any other offline channels, by directly connecting with you, through contacting to your business number, to mailing your email ID, business email ID. So any other offline format, if you have your customer data, if you have uploaded it with the Facebook, then Facebook will show your ads to that particular target audience. So while coming to the Facebook sources, video, if you have created videos and uploaded in your Facebook post. So if you would like to target your most performing video which gets more engagements, like comments, so if you would like to target them, then this source is very valuable. Instagram business profile, as I told you, Instagram business also. So if you would like to target the audience based on your Instagram business profile, that means who have interacted with you through your business profile, who have direct messaged you, who have engaged with your post, like that. Lead forms, if you have already created the lead forms with your previous ads, if you would like to target those, just like remarketing, this means remarketing, we are connecting with them. So if you have generated 60 to 70 leads in your previous ad campaign, but only 20 to 30 have got converted, rest of the people 40 did not convert. So if you would like to retarget them, if you would like if you would like to show your ads to them only to convert the prospects into the potential, then you can use this lead form. Okay, shopping experience, that means if your clients or yours is a product based, so those who have already interacted with your products are uh, shown interest on your products on your Facebook or Instagram page, then you can, who have added your products to their cart, then you can show your Facebook ads to that particular thing. So Facebook page, if you have connected your account to your Facebook page, you would like to focus on the audience who are visiting your, who are following your page, who have interacted with your page also. That means who have leaving the who are regularly following and interacting with your page through messengers, or interacting with your post in the form of engagements also. Otherwise, if you have they have made any interaction through Facebook Messenger, or they have made interaction through Facebook business page, so whatever the interactions and the communications happen through the Facebook page, so if you would like to show your ads to them, then you can make use of this feature. Okay, I am going to show you one or two examples of creating custom audience here. So I am going to show you how to create the custom audience based on the website. So just click on the website. So in order to create the custom audience based on your website, you have to install your Facebook pixel on your website, which I have shown you in the earlier video. So you have a drop down here. If you would like to track show your ad to all website visitors, otherwise if you would like to go show your ads who visited specific pages, that means who have shown interest on the specific services, otherwise who have spent more time on your website, you can make them. Otherwise here events, so once you have installed the pixel, you will get to know what are all the events performed on your website, like page views, otherwise clicking on the contact, submitting the contact form, otherwise going through the contact us page. So multiple events will be recorded by the Facebook pixel. If you would like to focus on the specific events also, you can focus your audience. I am generally creating all website visitors. You can also, if you would like to target only very active and the recent audience who have visited your website from the past 10 days, you can make it done. You can create your custom audience by giving the name, whatever the name you feel the audience, whatever the name you feel that it is suitable for your custom audience or your convenience, you can make it done and click on just create audience. See, you will get a message like this. It may take a few minutes for us to finish matching your customers. That means whoever it is activity, right? What is the who are all the visitors visited to your web page from the last 10 days? So it will take time for the Facebook to create the custom audience list. See, page visitors I have created. Now it is showing in my audience list. So here page visitors, just now I have created in front of you page visitors custom audience. Another, the process is similar for whatever the things you have to done. So I'm going to show you one more set of creating custom audience. Click on the custom audience. Now I am selecting the video from my Facebook page. What kind of content, what kind of audience you would like to, who would view, who have viewed at least 3 seconds of your video. I'm going to target who have seen my videos for 3 minutes, at least 3 seconds for my latest. Yes, click on next. If you would like to create an ad, you can. Okay, otherwise click on just done. So this is how we can create our custom